So if I were to go ahead and then let's say, for example, select out these photos right here and then press the move to trash button right here, just like this, then what happens is that those photos will be deleted. But they are not actually deleted for good, but are just moved to trash. So to access trash, you can just scroll down over here on the left hand side and you can see that trash is an option. And here you can see that the photos are deleted out right here and are moved into trash right here. So now what you can do from over here is you can go ahead and select, let's say, for example, certain photos right here, and if you want to restore them, then you can simply click on restore and they will be restored onto the main section. But the photos in the trash still take up your storage space. So if you want to delete them for good, then what you can simply do is go ahead and select these out right here, just like this, and click on delete permanently. Let's say, for example, I can select this one photo, click on delete permanently, then that particular photo will be deleted for good. But if you want to delete everything off of trash, then you can simply go ahead and click on empty trash and click on empty trash again, and all of them will be deleted right there, just like that. And that is how you can actually go ahead and then delete out photos from trash inside of Google Photos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.